What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today we're going to talk about how easy and simple it is, given that you of course know what you're doing, to make a little bit of money when there is a good opportunity, and how to spot that opportunity and how to take advantage of that is what we're going to talk about, and how I was able to make a little bit north of $10,000 just using my phone, and that's it. One app, one mobile phone, and that's it. I was able to do this, and so can everybody else. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice, including all the videos on my channel. Okay, so I forgot to put this disclaimer over here that this is not financial advice. But like I was saying, I'm not telling you to do what I am doing. I'm just showing you guys what I do and how I do it. Before we jump into the video, there will be a link in the description and in the pinned comment below, which you can use to sign up on Binance.com, which is the world's biggest crypto exchange. You can buy, you can sell, you can transfer crypto, you can do whatever you want. And every time you transfer, buy or sell, there will be a transaction fee, which if you use my link to sign up, you will get a 20% discount. So please make sure to take advantage of that link in the description below, and let's jump into the video. So I think the big question over here is that how do you choose a coin that you want to invest your money in, right? Since there are so many cryptocurrencies, it can get a little bit overwhelming. So how do you know which project will give you the maximum profits and is going to minimize your loss, if there will be any? Of course, there's always risk involved. Sometimes you will lose money, sometimes you will make money. Our goal should be to maximize profits and minimize losses always. So the process that I go through is very simple, and I didn't learn this from anybody else. When I transitioned into the crypto world, I was able to do this on my own, just a little bit of research. I was looking at the coins that were performing very well, and then I was trying to find the similarities in between them and why, as to trying to figure out why these coins in specific were doing very well compared to other new projects. And so I would look for newly launched coins, and I would look for coins that had a limited maximum supply, or a short maximum supply, I should say. Now, the short maximum supply would be anywhere from less than 100 million or less than 50 million. So the lesser, the better. Okay, so three things I would look for: newly launched coins, coins with a very short or small maximum supply, or as short as possible. And the final thing that I will look for is a coin with a very low price right now. So I would look for a coin which would range around anywhere between 5 to 10 cents. Now, sometimes it gets very hard to spot some coins between that range. By the time you find such coins, they will probably already be at $1 or 50 cents or just more than 10 cents. But my priority would always be to look for coins whose price was between 5 cents to 10 cents. Maximum I would go for would be 15 to 20. That's it. Because the lower you buy, you have to understand this. The lower you buy, the more the quantity of the coin that you can buy will be more. And also, if the price falls lower, it's not going to be as big of a loss as it would be if you buy higher. Biggest advantage of buying low is that no matter how low it falls, you will not be in a big of a loss. Now that we know what are the things I would look for in a coin, how do we look for such coins? Very simple. I would go to CoinMarketCap. Now, of course, listen, CoinMarketCap.com is a computer website. There's an app available on your phone, and I did all of this on my phone. Okay, and I'll tell you why. So if you go to CoinMarketCap.com, what you want to do is you want to go to cryptocurrencies, and you want to go to recently added. Once you go to recently added, you will see that if you scroll down, the maximum number of currencies that you can see over here are 30. But if you do this on your phone, it's literally in hundreds, if not thousands. So that is why I would scroll through just hundreds and hundreds of cryptocurrencies, trying to look for the ones between my price range, trying to look for the ones with short maximum supplies, and that's it. Also, I would look for one more thing. I almost forgot to mention this. I would not look for such projects you know, the ones that are very, very cheap, or the coins that have a lot of decimal places or zeros after the decimal point, I would not look for such projects, even though nowadays these projects, everybody's just making so much money. The recent example is Shiba Inu. People invested, I saw a guy on TikTok invested $500, and at one point he was at $98,000 in profit. It's just insane. I don't know if it was legit or not, but that is just, everybody's doing this nowadays, right? People are just buying cheap, very, very cheap, dirt cheap, and just literally 100 times, 1,000 times their money. Anyways, so I would look for coins that didn't have all these decimal places, right? I would look for a coin that would have, let's say, maximum four decimal places. So let me show you guys a couple of examples that I was able to take advantage of, and then I will show you guys if there are any recently launched coins. I'll show you guys that as well. Okay, so OVR was a newly, not that new of a project when it was launched, and I came across this. Now I know this contradicts my rule of buying cheap within 5 to 10 cents, or let's say 5 to 20 cents. I know this contradicts that rule, but I will explain to you guys why I bought this coin. So if you go over here and you search on CoinMarketCap OVR, and you guys take a look at its maximum supply, you guys can see that it was 95 million. So it was under my criteria of under 100 million in maximum supply. So I invested in this project without even thinking, and I didn't invest much because the price was already a little bit high. And you guys can see right now the price is at 90 cents. And back then when I sold the coin, when I sold it, it was at 86 cents. So you guys can see how much of a profit I was able to make just off of a coin that I found on CoinMarketCap with just doing a little bit of research, spending a couple of minutes, literally just scrolling through and looking at cheap coins. And you guys can see the percentage of increase, of course, when it skyrocketed. And let me show you guys another coin that I was able to take advantage of. So Deuce Finance was also one of the coins that caught my eye back when I invested in altcoins, or when I invested in these coins. And you guys can see it's nowhere close to my price criteria, which was 5 to 20 cents. This one was at almost $7.30. Now, why did I invest money in this coin? So if we go to coinmarket.com and search up Deuce and take a look at its maximum supply, you guys can see that it's only almost 1.8 million coins in the world, which makes it very, very rare of a coin. And as an investor in altcoins, the things that I should be looking for is the rarity of a coin. The rarer the coin is, the rarer the coin is. I don't even know if that's a word. The rarer a coin is, the higher the chances are that the price is going to perform well. Okay, and these coins, you have to understand, these coins you're not going to be holding for 5 years, 10 years. I mean, if you want to, that's up to you. I'm not telling you. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you what I do. I do not hold these coins over long periods of time. No, I make my profit. I enter the market. I make my profit. I get out. Simple as that. And so the more rare a coin is, the better the chances are of a coin's price performing better. Also, one more coin was Deep Onion. Now, if I go to CoinMarketCap, as you guys can see when I took the screenshot, it was at 61 cents. And again, I'll show you guys why I invested my money in Deep Onion is because of its maximum supply, of course. This was a rare coin, and as you guys can see, its maximum supply was 25 million. That's it. Not 100, not 95, not 75, not 50, 25 million coins. And so, listen, I know a couple of people will be wondering if I care about what the coin or the project actually is. No, I could never understand all this data over here, reading all this information. I would never understand it. My mind is just, it doesn't work like that. I'm just good with numbers. I see numbers, I can make a good prediction. Okay, I can make use of it. And so after I was able to spot this coin at 61 cents, it did go all the way, if I'm not wrong, to 1.5 May 5th. Recently, I think the mid of May, right? 15 days ago. Yeah. So the 12th of May. Yeah. So like 2 weeks ago almost 3 now. This coin, I mean, it was one of the best coins that I invested my. Oh, now of course it's at almost 36 cents, but you guys get the idea, right? So I think I sold it when it hit $1. The whole idea of investing in altcoins should be that you enter the market, you invest your money, you take profit, you exit the market. That's it. Do not hold on to these coins because you never know what's going to happen. Cryptocurrency or crypto market is a very volatile market. I'm sure everybody is learning a very harsh lesson right now, especially especially the new people who just entered into the crypto world. They have no idea what to look for, and so they're just desperate to make a quick buck, and they're just losing money. So this is how I invested money in altcoins, and I still do to this day. I go to coinmarketcap.com, look for newly added coins, recently added coins, look for a coin which has a less or short maximum supply. Remember, the lesser the better, closer to 1 million, 10 million, better. And then the next thing would be the price. The lower the price, the lower you buy, the cheaper you buy, the more profitable you are going to be. Okay, and I'm not saying you should do that. Okay, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you what I do. After I make reasonable profits, I leave the market and I look for new projects. Some people might be wondering if I look at the charts or the price action and all that. When I'm investing in altcoins that are new, you have to understand there's not going to be much data on the charts since they're new coins, recently launched coins. And so I don't really care about the price action, the candles, all that stuff, all the technical data, no, all the technical analysis. I just care about the criteria that I mentioned over and over again. Recently launched coin, short maximum supply, the cheaper the price, the lower the price, better, and not too cheap of a coin as well. I don't want 7 zeros after the decimal point or 10 zeros after the decimal point. No. And that's as simple as that. All of that from a phone. Guys, all of that from a phone. And so I hope this motivated you guys, or you guys learned something new. If you are new into the crypto world, I hope at least it's some sort of a guidance, because when I entered crypto, I had no idea. The people I used to watch were just making videos for views, and desperate people like me ended up on their channels and were just watching and not understanding anything. It was just so much information, so many words, and it was just so overwhelming. If anything, those channels or those videos did was make me hopeless. I thought I was never going to be able to make money in crypto, and I thought I was never going to be able to understand. I was never going to be able to do what I love the most, online trading. And so here we are, a couple of months later, a little wiser, definitely wiser than before. That's what matters. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you're new to this channel, you like the content, please drop a subscribe, turn the notifications on, so whenever I do a live stream or upload a video, you guys will be the first ones to have a look at it. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.